How's it going, everyone? Welcome to this Microsoft Excel tutorial with Eli Dugan. Today, I'll show you how to use Excel in a humanities context. Hopefully, what I show you today will be helpful in whatever humanities class you're in, whether you're a freshman or a senior in history or geography or economics or something else entirely. Firstly, you'll want to navigate to this website, data.worldbank.org. Then you'll want to search for the indicator that you want to view. To give you a sense for what they actually have to offer, here are just some of their featured indicators. Feel free to explore them on your own time. There are a lot, but for now, I'm just going to stick with very basic population. As you see, it's currently showing a graph for world, or at least it should be showing a graph for world population. There we go. I can also scroll down to select individual countries. So if I wanted to sort by those who have the most population, I could select China and I could select India, for example. So off to the side here, you'll see an option to download all of this data. So if you do click on Excel, it will give you a wonderful, wonderful spreadsheet, which I actually already have open over here. And I have cleaned the data up a little bit already, but this is basically what you're given when you open it. So as you can see, you have data for all of these different countries and territories from 1960 all the way to 2019, or whatever the year is. I'm recording this in 2020, so we don't have data for 2020 yet. I have also prepared a nice graph off to the side using, of course, a log scale. So remember, this is one of those cases where your data spans many, many, many orders of magnitude, so using a linear scale is just not that useful. I've also stretched the graph really tall so that you can see more the details. With access to this kind of data, you can really analyze whatever you want. What could be really interesting would be to download separate sets of data and plot them against each other, or see what the correlation is. An example of that might be looking at the relationship between a country's GDP per capita and its literacy rate, or possibly the length of coastline and its infant mortality rate. I don't know. Also, World Bank is just one data source that I happen to find convenient. Feel free to look around and see if there are better sources that provide better data for what you're trying to learn about. And that's it. Following these steps, you too can use Excel to help you with humanities work. Happy spreadsheeting, and long live the class of 2021.